Is ALZCLIPS legit or is it a scam? In this video, I'm going to be telling you if it is or if it's not. Now, currently you can just see I am on the website right here, and it's a pretty simplistic website. The logo up here is built using WordPress, and it's going to give you a nightmare if you order something and try to contact them, because a lot of these simplistic basic websites with very limited products and very limited credibility to their name are actually, and a lot of these have false discounts. This is false right here. It's just used as fake marketing, and down here we can actually see these are a bunch of fake reviews. Creator of this website is likely just trying to dropship, just trying to sell you fake false products from China just for upscaled prices. So personally, I would never buy from this website. And all of these product images, if we screenshot and reverse search any of these images, you can actually see that these images, no matter which image you actually search, is actually stolen from different websites like so. You can see it's stolen from this one right here. And all of these products on this website are basically false advertisements and complete scams. And if you're going to buy something from this site, just remember that the shipping times will be absolutely mad insane. They will take literally months to ship, just because the person running this site is just trying to get a quick money grab out of these products that they did not even create. They just found on Alibaba or AliExpress. As you can see, if we search for jean jacket on AliExpress, basically what the person is buying these for is about $6 to $9 versus what you are paying, which is typically $230 on this site. So if you're going to buy this, the shipping times will be insane, and you're basically going to get scammed. So I really just would not advise buying from this website. As you can see, we can just buy all of these from AliExpress for like fraction of the price, but because basically what they're doing is they are buying the products from AliExpress and then shipping them to you from AliExpress to the address that you put in when you're actually checking out on this website. So it's a complete scam, and do not buy from this website.